What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at a company, Kingdom Beard Co. All right, the owner Joel Eck, he did an all call on Instagram and said, hey, any reviewers who want to try out my product, let me know. And so I did. I reached out to him and said, I'd love to test out your product and do a review for you. And so he sent me some stuff. Stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, if you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do hiking videos, gear reviews, tutorials, some beard product reviews. And today we're going to be taking a look at Kingdom Beard Co. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll wait. Go ahead. It's down here and down here. Alright, we're good. Alright, so the owner of Kingdom Beard Co. is Joel Eck. Alright, so he reached out, did an all call on Instagram and said, hey, any reviewers want to take a look at my product? And I was like, sure, let's try it out. So he sent me some stuff and I have company today. Say hey, Duke. You gonna say hey? All right, go be busy. All right, so he sent me some stuff. He is only on Etsy. Has been on Etsy since 2017. So he sent me some stuff to try out. Sent me a sticker. Their logo is pretty cool. And what he sent me was an oil and a balm in the sword. Now all of his scents revolve around kingdom. And there's the king, there's sword, there's castle, there's all of this kind of stuff. So what he sent me was the sword. Now, I've got me a cheat sheet here, but also on his Etsy page, he also has combs and hats and beanies and t-shirts. So definitely check him out. I will put links in the description below for both his Etsy page and his Instagram, which you definitely need to check out his Instagram. Give him a follow. He is always putting discount codes and deals on Instagram. So definitely check him out for that. But he has free shipping, US only, but free shipping, so you can't beat that. And like I said earlier, he's been on Etsy since 2017, but he sent me the sword in oil and balm. All right, so we will do the oil first. All right, so the oil. And I will say too, he has updated his labels. He now has very recently updated his labels to being oil and water resistant. So that's pretty cool. His stuff comes in the cobalt blue bottles. And this oil is kind of a yellowish, very light yellow, and a light to medium consistency. But the ingredients: organic jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oils. Handcrafted beard oil with instructions how to use and the sword on the side. So what the sword is clove and tea tree. Now I reached out to Joel when I first got this and told him that I really wasn't keen on the clove. The clove just wasn't, I wasn't a huge fan of the clove. All right, so I don't do my reviews off of first impression. I use the product. So I used this oil and balm for about 2 weeks, and the scent from the bottle is clove, straight up clove. Might get a hint of tea tree. When you apply heat and put it in beard, it becomes a smoky, almost a campfire-esque smell. Love it. It is perfect. Now, like I said, out of bottle, you get the clove, and it's strong. It's, as Joel said, it's hit or miss. Either you love it or you hate it. But it took using it to really see its potential. Now the balm kind of And I don't know if that smoky scent comes from the clove and the tea tree kind of combining, because I get a little bit of that smokiness from the balm. Now the balm is very creamy. It is little bit to get out with your fingernail, but it is still a pretty creamy balm when you get it. I'm curious to see how strong his strong holding balm is, but it is kind of a little bit of a yellowish tint to it. And the ingredients for the balm are pure yellow beeswax, shea butter, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E, and essential oils. Now, I know I'm a little bit away from the camera and you're not going to be able to see it really well, but it emulsifies immediately. And you just get that kind of, that tea tree, that smoky scent. It's great. So that is that. So now let me refer back to my cheat sheet. Oils on Etsy, $14 for a 1 ounce oil. Balm, $15. Combo, $29. So his prices are right there, kind of middle ground, and really good pricing. Free shipping. So you really get a good deal on that. So again, I can't speak for the other scents because the only one that I tried was the sword. But if you like kind of that, either the clove or if you like that smoky kind of notes, then check out the sword. Definitely get over and check out Kingdom Beard Co. on Instagram. Check out their Etsy page and let them know that the Bearded Outdoorsman sent you. If you got any questions about either of these two products, or anything for that matter, drop me a comment. Love interacting with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And let me know what you think about the change of scenery. As always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless. Almost on my mic cord. Anyway.